Basil, immune support and culinary elegance. Basil is also known as Ocimum Basilicum, is a plant that has been valued over the centuries because of its medicinal and culinary qualities. The versatile plant isn't just used for adding flavor to dishes, but it also provides numerous benefits to health, including its ability to boost your immune system. In this post, we'll look at the powerful immune boost offered by basil and how it contributes to the culinary opulence. Basil is part of the mint family and originates from tropical areas mostly in Asia as well as Africa. Basil is renowned for its distinctive scent and distinctive flavor that have helped make it an essential ingredient in numerous dishes around the globe. It is used in everything from Italian pesto to Thai curries to Thai pesto. Basil provides the flavor and depth to many recipes, which makes it the most important ingredient in many dishes. Although basil can be awe-inspiring for the palate, but it's equally impressive in its ability to boost your immune system. The herb is a rich variety of healthy compounds comprising vitamin A, C, and K and essential oils like the eugenol and linalool compounds, as well as the limonene. The components in question work together to boost the immune system and improve general well-being. One of the most important benefits of basil's immune system is its capability to fight pathogens that cause harm. The essential oils of basil have antimicrobial qualities that help combat viruses, bacteria, and fungal infections. Research has shown that basil oil holds the ability to block the growth of a variety of species of bacteria, such as those which are intolerant to common antibiotics. Additionally, the basil plant is a great source of antioxidants that are essential to helping to strengthen your immune system. Antioxidants protect body cells from the damage that is due to free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that cause chronic illnesses and reduce the immune system. Incorporating the herb basil into your diet, you will increase the amount of antioxidants as well as strengthen your immune system. Alongside its ability to boost your immune system, basil can also provide additional health advantages. Essential oils in the basil plant have anti-inflammatory properties that aid in reducing inflammation within the body. Chronic inflammation can lead to various diseases like cancer, heart disease, as well as autoimmune diseases. Incorporating basil into your diet, you could possibly reduce the risk of developing any of these ailments. Additionally, basil is extensively used in herbal medicine to treat different illnesses. The essential oils of basil are known to possess anti-inflammatory properties. This makes them useful for those who suffer from migraines, headaches, as well as muscle discomfort. Basil tea is also believed for its calming effects on digestion and may help ease stomach pain. Apart from its amazing advantages for health, basil also adds an elegant touch to every dish. The vibrant green leaves of basil are visually attractive and enhance the appearance of any dish. When used for garnish or as the main ingredient, basil adds vibrant and freshness that could make a basic dish an exquisite culinary experience. In order to fully appreciate the culinary beauty of basil, you need to understand how to manage and store it. Fresh leaves of basil should be kept in a glass container that is covered with an absorbent paper towel or placed in a glass of water similar to the arrangement of flowers. This will help keep the leaves well hydrated and preserve their freshness over a long time. The leaves of basil should be included in dishes at the final stage of cooking process or removed in a handheld fashion to let out the full flavor. Basil is, in the end, a unique blend of support for the immune system and culinary opulence. The benefits of its immune system boosting qualities are a great supplement to any diet since it can help strengthen your immune system. It also helps fight diseases and ease inflammation. Furthermore, its attractive design adds elegance and beauty to food, increasing the taste and visual experience. Therefore, why not take advantage of the beauty of basil and discover its endless possibilities to your dinner table?